Hello everyone, ladies, gentlemen, and otaku alike. This is Recall Reviews. Atillio, back here again. And this is probably one of the most meaningful matches to me out of my career matches that I have to share with you today. This is what my whole career felt like it was building up to. All the hard work, all the determination, all the perseverance, all the pain, all the injuries, right where it all started. In the Greenwood Lake Elks Lodge, where I had my first match, my first title match, my first return, so many firsts, and I had all my closest friends and family in attendance for this one. We also did it on Veterans Day, and our men and women of the military, armed forces, Navy, Air Force, whoever was in attendance got in for free. I think it's a wonderful thing. It made me feel like I got to be a part of the lineage of entertainers who have contributed to entertaining our military, regardless the scale. And I got to celebrate in the ring with my nephew, who was my reason to become a professional wrestler, because I really wanted to show him that no matter what life brings you, good or bad, hard work and determination will pay off and you can achieve your dreams. So this was me versus Buddy Thomas versus Tamir Gibbs, billed as the last time ever for the viral title. And let's roll the tape, because this one's very special to me.
Anger of that last match. But right now, it's Tamir.
What did Tamir do now? Oh, he's really sprung this stuff.
Again, this is, as we try to restore order here, this is our main event tonight. It is for the Hudson Valley Viral Championship. It is between the champion, Buddy Thomas.
Buddy Thomas is the champion. Buddy Thomas is the champion.
I know, I just said that, thank you.
He is the champion. You know why he's a champion?
No.
Because a while back I managed him, and I passed on wisdom. And that's why he's where he is. Oh no, this Ungat's Ongoli, I don't like him.
As this man honors the veterans, our two-part special of honoring the veterans in Greenwood Lake. And this man won the Battle Royal a couple weeks ago in that match on Dogwood Acres Farms in Middletown, New York. He received the #1 contendership. But because of Tamir Gibbs' recent run of form and his history of both Buddy Thomas and Atillio, he was added to this match retroactively. It is a three-way match. It is both Atillio and Tamir Gibbs' last opportunity to challenge Buddy Thomas with the championship.
Yeah, that sounds like the last time. We'll get Buddy Thomas! Beautiful Buddy Thomas! Hot stuff with his umbrella. You know what his umbrella does? It keeps all you morons out of here. It protects him from the morons.
You know, I am a big Donna Summer fan.
Who?
Who's that? Good job, Kurt.
Donna Summer.
And as I was saying, regardless of my feelings of Donna Summer or you, Kurt, it's always interesting in a three-way championship match.
Hot stuff. You see his outfit? Now this is a guy who drops money. He's invested in his craft.
I understand that, which is why he's a champion. Which is why he's a champion.
That's
but tonight,
right. And I managed him.
But tonight, Buddy can lose his championship without being pinned or submitted. He does not have to factor into the decision tonight.
Oh, that's cheating right there. But the fact that he can lose the belt and not be pinned? How do you lose the belt and not be pinned? And you're going to tell me that this Tamir guy's a champion, or Atillio Aprile? He's a knucklehead.
Do you not like Italians? Is that a problem?
I don't like you, and I don't like Atillio.
Because we're good at cooking?
It's nothing against
Because we're good at cooking?
You don't cook.
Because we're good at art. We make good art?
You don't.
Because we conquered all of Europe?
You don't.
Because we conquered all of Europe multiple times over?
My people don't like your people. So shut your mouth before I give you a smack. Yeah, that's what I thought. Shut your mouth.
Again, our main event tonight is for the ECPW Viral Championship. I'm very excited to see. I think all these men, regardless of your personal opinions of the competitors in this match, all three men, let me finish, sir. All three men are worthy of holding the prestigious championship.
You're saying that Atillio Aprile is worthy of anything other than a loss? Tamir See, look, he's using Tamir as a human shield. That's intelligent.
That's bravery, right?
Very brave. Look at he hit Atillio really hard. Tamir looks confused. Look at that. See, Tamir, he's smart. He's listening to Buddy. But you know, Tamir and Buddy, they've had quite a few barn burners in this ring. They're used to each other. The X factor is that what is this idiot?
Double shoulder tackle, excuse me, by Atillio. Now a hip toss. And then an arm drag.
He can't even move, he's so old and fat.
And then, oh my goodness, double arm drag right there.
How you doing? That's what he's gonna say. You know what? I don't give a crap how he's doing, and I don't care how you're doing. Look at Tamir. See, Tamir's smart. Now he's gonna go for Atillio. Take out the problem, work on him, get him out of the ring, and the smack. Did you see the smack?
Well, I wish you would.
No, you
believe
won't.
me. I'll give you one shot for the rest of your life. That's the last shot you ever pull.
I'm sending you back in the boat.
I would say something right now, but I really don't want to get canceled. That's an insecure right there by Tamir Gibbs.
I know what an insecure is. And that's a drop kick, right? Did I call it right? A drop kick?
Yeah, I know you're jealous that you're not in the championship match, but let me do my job and actually call the action.
You're not very good at it.
These competitors are working hard to provide a championship match for the... Wow.
Did you see
Hurricanrana right there?
That's impressive. This guy's very athletic. He's not the biggest guy, but he sure is athletic.
Buddy Tomas, though. Ducks under. Tamir ducks under as well. Counters on counters right now. Oh, what a clothesline.
I taught him that clothesline, and it's made him a champion.
Unlike you.
Unlike you. You're not exactly a championship broadcast partner. The only reason you're here is because Matt Lynch is on vacation again. Thank you, Mother Mildred, for getting rid of him. I'll say this. I kind of miss Matt Lynch, because sitting here with you, you're a greasy inbound bodo, and I can't stand you.
I'm just trying to ignore you, Kurt, so I can focus on this brilliant
Did
match.
you see that chop? Did you hear that chop? Did you hear it? No, because you have hearing aids in. You can't hear nothing.
Well, Atillio right now is on the outside, so I have to give Buddy Tomas credit. He has isolated this match with only a one-on-one contest.
Did you see him kick his head off? I should kick your head off like that. But I'm a nice guy. Look at that, he kicks his head off again. I think Tamir is gone, dead.
Well, Buddy was smart. He goes for a cover right here, which I think he's about to do.
Very smart.
Cover. You're not beating anybody with that cover, though. No legs hooked.
Look at it.
Weak pressure applied.
Did you see that Atillio tried getting back in there, and Buddy was smart enough to give him a kick across the mush?
That's a big right hand by Buddy.
Very big right hand. And another one. And another one.
Who, you DJ Khaled?
Yeah, what? What is Tamir doing? Oh! That was a hell of a hookup and a hell of a fall. He's a fall guy.
Might be looking right now for a leg drop. Big time leg drop. Near leg is hooked and Atillio breaks up.
I gotta say this. He's got the best leg drop in the business today. Did you see that height? Now what's this schmuck doing coming back with his little chop punches? There's nothing behind those punches.
They're working successfully against Buddy.
He's using his weight to his advantage.
Oh. Now can Buddy use his speed and agility?
Of course he can. Look at him.
That's a neck breaker right there on Atillio. Cover right here. But again, Buddy with the lackadaisical cover. No legs are hooked. Weak pressure is applied. You're not going to retain your championship.
No one wants to hear you. Look at what Buddy Tomas is doing. Buddy Tomas, now he's got the umbrella. To block. Oh, what's he going to do with the umbrella? Is he blocking out that idiot Atillio, your buddy? That's your buddy, right?
I like people who respect this business, unlike you.
I respect you.
Well, you should.
But I respect Buddy Tomas. Look at him.
How is this not a disqualification? Well, actually, no, because it's a three-way match.
No, he's holding the umbrella. So if you're going to disqualify Buddy, you need to disqualify Atillio because he stole the umbrella.
Well, it's a three-way match, but regardless.
So there's no disqualification?
No, I know. I just don't think a championship. Use that. Wait a minute. Hurricane right there by him and Tamir Gibbs. Atillio's out of the ring.
Good. Maybe he's gone for good.
Big right hand by Buddy.
He knocked him down like nobody's business. Look it! Did you see that?
What a jump by Buddy.
That was impressive. I taught him that too.
What a jump by Buddy. And now let's see what Tamir Gibbs has. Tamir Gibbs going through tope suicida.
Wait a second, what's going on here? What's the... My partner's here? Nimble? Nightmare? The Nightmare Wonderland? What's he doing? Oh no!
He spit on Buddy. That's what you get. That's what you get for interfering into a championship contest. Atillio's center of the ring. Atillio has him. Atillio ducks under. Atillio, big right hand. Atillio now picks him up. It's over! Cover! New champion! New champion!
No! This is not good! I'm not happy! I want to cry! This is awful! Get me out of here! Get me out of this nightmare! I hate Nightmare Wonderland. He screwed him! He screwed Buddy Thomas! How dare he! This idiot Atillio capitalized on
It doesn't
nonsense.
matter, Kurt.
It matters to me!
You know who screwed Buddy Thomas? Buddy Thomas screwed Buddy Thomas because tonight the man of the hour is not Buddy Thomas and it's not Kurt Klein. It's Atillio Aprile, who is your new ECPW Viral Championship. We're not going to hear from you. We're going to hear from the new champ.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for coming out here on this Veterans Day and supporting our ability to entertain each and every veteran in this building. We do this because of you guys, and we can only do this because of our veterans. Now, 7 years ago, someone in this building was born, and he's the reason I'm standing in this ring today. I used to be a deadbeat until I found out that my nephew was going to be born. And I wanted that kid to look at me like a superhero. And I wanted to be the best uncle, the best role model to that kid in the whole world. And I got my ass off my bed, out of my chair, out of my funk, out of my depression for that kid.